I'm Sheeta Taheri. I'm a registered dental hygienist and oral health therapist and have been for the last 10 years. One thing that I see that's pretty consistent with my denture wearing patients is that the dentures are rarely kept clean enough, and that's where the Dr. Marks brand comes in. The Dr. Marks brand and product line is designed to and committed to helping denture wearers and all other types of dental appliance wearers keep their dentures and appliances clean and hygienic, quickly, effectively and safely. Another one of the unique products in the Dr. Marks range is the SureGrip denture brush. The SureGrip is purpose designed to make hand brushing of full dentures, partial dentures and most other dental appliances quick, effective and comfortable. The first unique element of the SureGrip design is that it's round. A round brush for a round job. The SureGrip handle is ergonomically designed with a comfortable thumb hold. It's soft to the touch and non-slip when wet. As you can see, there are lots of bristles on the brush. The more bristles there are, the more efficient brushing will be. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub away just about any build-up on a denture, but soft enough not to harm any type of dental appliance. When hand brushing a denture or any type of dental appliance, I always recommend putting a towel in the basin to protect your appliance in case it drops. Add 2 to 3 drops of DentalFresh to the brush surface of your SureGrip and a splash of water. Firmly hold your denture in one hand and brush both surfaces with a rotating and/or circular brushing action. Brush until DentalFresh foams up nicely and you're satisfied your denture is squeaky clean. Then rinse. Be sure to store your clean denture or dental appliance safely and so it air dries.